You're listening to the Nash Rockett Media Experiment.
I got a rocket in my pocket and a roll in my wall. So baby, don't touch me with the dark body talk. There ain't nothing you can tell me I don't already know. I got a rocket in my pocket and I'm ready to go.
So, the person that I really want to talk about right now is the person that just made me some eggs. And they might be the best eggs I've ever had.
No.
Maybe I'm just hungry.
No.
Get in here.
Oh.
Get in here.
Yes, they.
Ooh.
Well, I will take that they're best eggs
She's
ever.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Too. And she's a former Miss Tennessee.
Alex has been
She's been to the Miss America pageant.
in Atlantic City
Whoa.
with a swimsuit.
What's your favorite word?
Congruent.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. What's your least favorite word?
Well, it's 2 words. Calm down. Don't ever say that to
You
me.
don't like to calm down?
No, I'm always going.
What's your favorite number?
7. It's the perfect number. Did you know?
I'm a 9 guy.
Yeah, I like 7.
So, if you had it to do over again, what would it be?
Like doing pageants or being Miss Tennessee.
You just answered.
You know,
how
okay,
much-
this is honestly the truth. I didn't want to be Miss America. I loved the program and the $25,000 I won to go get my master's at Vanderbilt. But I
Nice.
went to Miss America. I had a great time. But the only thing I wish is that I had tried a little harder to be in the top 10 because people always ask you after they learn you went to Miss America, what did you place? And I tell them with a stern look on my face that I placed in the top 50. And what did they do when they competed at Miss
I
America?
see what you did there.
But I wish I had top 10 just so I didn't have to go through that whole
I
thing.
understand.
Yeah.
I understand. And now you're consulting. You're consulting Lydia Fisher, right?
I am. I've been consulting girls since 2008 and mainly focused on interview because I feel like pageants are great. Let's go and do the best we can, but interview, people skills, community service, that'll last a lifetime.
You get to the pearly gates,
Yes,
and
let's hope.
what is the first thing that God says to you?
Thank you for being kind
Nice.
because that's what I hope that he thinks.
That's an excellent answer.
Thanks. And now you have to go to hell. No, I'm just kidding.
The elevator down is over there.
See ya. You weren't kind enough, but thanks for trying. Next.
Nice.
Thanks, Rocket. I had so much fun.
Yeah, you're awesome.
It was great. Great
have
to
to-
meet you in person.
Have to do it again.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, love ya.